Well, let's look. Martin 12-string guitar, my mom's guitar. Well, let's see what there is. Ah, there appears to be a piece missing. And the headstock is broken across all three of its legs. As you can see, it shouldn't move that easy. So, we have a plan. The missing piece, this little guy right here, he was fun. He was in several pieces. He had to get glued together first. It's gonna go right in there. We're gonna use the fancy schmancy Kohling blocks, top bottom. Allows us to clamp, wipe away the glue. We need to wipe away while it's clamped, not make too much of a mess. Top and bottom. Surprising how hard it is to make a piece of wood flat. And we have our operating table here. We have a brand new bottle of glue. Clamps, 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 more clamps. Should be everything we need right here. We need to do a dry run or two, which is going to be tough because the little piece, this little guy here, kind of likes to crumble like a cookie, like an overcooked oatmeal cookie. And I'm sure the rest of the headstock wants to do the same. As you can see, Martin, they don't leave you much wood between the top, that hole in the tuner, and the top and bottom. And how wide is it? Oh, it's half as wide as a popsicle stick. So anyhow, the plan is to glue it up nice and tight, and then we're going to take a piece of rosewood and put it along the bottom here to avoid the future cracking of the old Martin 12-string. I'll spare you the messy parts, Mom. Let's get to gluing.